Imagine this. You're at a crowded event and suddenly, something doesn't feel right. A backpack left unattended, people behaving strangely, and then chaos erupts. Did you know that over 40% of Americans feel unprepared for emergencies? But you don't have to be one of them. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where we empower you with practical knowledge to stay prepared in an unpredictable world. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: how to prepare for terrorist attacks in the U.S. Being ready isn't just about fear, it's about peace of mind and protecting what matters most. If you're serious about staying prepared, hit the like button, subscribe to the Prepper's Path, and turn on notifications. Let's build a safer, stronger community together. 1. Recognize early warning signs. Awareness is your first line of defense. Look out for suspicious activity, like someone surveilling an area repeatedly, leaving packages unattended, or behaving nervously in crowds. Report anything unusual to authorities. It's better to be safe than sorry. 2. Develop an emergency communication plan. Make sure your family knows what to do if you get separated. Designate a meeting point and have a list of emergency contacts. Use apps like Zello or WhatsApp for alternative communication when networks are down. 3. Identify safe zones in public spaces. Whenever you enter a public space, take a moment to locate exits, sturdy walls, and less crowded areas. Knowing your surroundings can save precious seconds in a crisis. 4. Prepare a basic emergency kit. Your kit should include essentials like a whistle, flashlight, small first aid kit, multi-tool, and bottled water. Add protective items like an N95 mask for smoke or dust, and a tourniquet for severe injuries. For a detailed checklist, check out our video on creating a family emergency plan. 6 simple steps for crisis preparation. It's packed with tips that apply to any emergency. Terrorist attacks are rare, but preparation is key to staying calm and making smart decisions if the unthinkable happens. Remember, being prepared isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. Want to know how to secure a sustainable water source for your family? Stay tuned for our next video. It's a game changer. See you on the path.